been a couple of months since the last portion you just seen, and this is what my room looks like today. So I ended up having room to put Christmas stuff in here, but we have went through some of the totes and stuff, and everything, as you can see, just kind of get chaotic over the holidays because I was putting my wrapping paper and stuff in here. Then we were having to pull stuff from the totes, and they got pulled down and they didn't go back. So now I've got to try to re-put this back up again from a couple of months ago, which I knew it was going to get chaotic, but now that Christmas is over with, I need to work on it. So we're going to try, it's like, according to my little clock, it's 1:40. So I am going to work on this for an hour and see if we can't get something done. So basically, I just need to, I don't know what I need to do until I get into it and do it. And sometimes, that's the tip. When you don't know what to do, just start doing something. Because doing something is better than nothing. And this is the whole fact of doing nothing. So, here we go. That looks a little bit better than it did. The stuff that was sitting on this footstool, I don't want to put this back in the living room. It was originally in our living room before Christmas. I don't want to put it back there. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. But for now, it's going to stay here. I noticed, I don't know what's on, must be metal feet underneath it because it was rusting. We've got rust spots on our carpet. And I'm not even sure how to get it up yet. But that's not going back on the carpet. So I had the empty laundry basket. So I've got the air mattress, which is what this is, in that bag. I got those from Dollar Tree. That's the extra large. It's one bag, and I put the sheets in there. Sometimes I'll shove the pillows in them, but I ain't gonna do that today. And I put the pillows down on the bottom, so that way they'll have a sheet that will fit the mattress, and a top sheet and a comforter to go on it when they come to stay. And then this is Christmas stuff. I think I have some random Christmas stuff sitting around, so I'm going to hold on to it for now. That box needs to eventually go in storage. These two totes here, one is, I forgot. Oh, one is my crafting box, which is that one. This one is my spring, fall decor. I don't know, the crafting one's on the bottom. The spring decor and the fall and all that seasonal decor is in that one. Those are all empty with their lids. So that way, if we need to put more stuff and things, I can do that. This one is my husband's project box. I call it box, but we moved to a tote. These are all the projects that he needs to do in the house. He knows to come here to come get them. This was picture frames that I'm not sure where to put. I just taped the box up because they're getting dusty. So that way, until I figure out what I want to do. My carpet cleaner, all I gotta do is move this to be able to get that. I don't know what I'm doing with those yet. I may just lean them or put them on top of this maybe. You know, I could put it on top of that and put the tote just to, hold on. Okay, that's a little bit better. I don't know if I'm going to keep that like that. I don't know yet. Can reach the carpet cleaner if I need to. I don't know. We'll see. I may end up moving it back. I don't know. But I got that looking a little bit better than it was. At least I got this all stacked up again. You know, this is going to be an everyday ongoing, probably monthly or every couple of months, or when I see it getting chaotic, I'm just going to have to stay on top of it. But I knew after Christmas, it was so crowded in here for Christmas, it was overwhelming. I need to go back, well, I done moved some stuff from, I need to go back and redo my office. So I'm going to be doing an updated office, declutter, clean with me, which is probably coming next. At least I've got this all straight as best as I can have it. And we have room in the floor to walk around. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And I know a lot of y'all, let me say this too, a couple of people contacted me and told me that they have a small house too, and they have an extra bedroom that they also use as like a storage room. So I do not feel so bad. Maybe I need to start calling it storage room instead of hoarder room, but when it gets chaotic, that's what it feels like to me. If y'all like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and keep coming back because I'm still decluttering.